Hello everyone, I'm Brian and you're watching Someplace or Another. Today I'm at the Wheel O Time Museum. And they have this cool little steel house I think you might be interested in. This house was invented by R.J. Letourneau to solve a housing problem he had for his workers. R.J. was the manufacturer of earth-moving equipment and was encouraged to move here by Caterpillar. He built approximately 150 homes, and only about 24 are left. This home took 2 years to renovate, and they finished in 2018. Alright, let's go let ourselves in. Let's see, this is what I thought the 1950s house was going to be. In their easy chair, grab a smoke, listen to the radio. Pictures of the fam. It was a prefab house of some sort, I think. Oh, that's what it used to look like. Wow. It's pretty nice. Here's your little kitchen. Is that a toaster? Or a waffle? Toaster, I think. Bathroom looks pretty good. I'm not sure if that toilet looks quite right. Got the master bedroom. Nice little desk. That's a neat looking clock. You got me. Cool little radio. Got a nice hat. Got the wife's dress out. Wait, what's it? This would be the child's bedroom. Got the erector set. There's desk. He's got his weapon out. Stay tuned for more adventure to come. Subscribe, like, share, and thanks for watching. Bye.